Click on Environment Manager and select Demo Environment. Find the default server. Let's go back to the page we worked on earlier. You can copy the selected part here, this is what we referred to as the host, and paste the host content we just copied in the base URL. Click Save. Now, when we go back to the API, we won't need to enter the host manually every time we debug an endpoint. When we hit send, the request will still go through as normal. See, it returns exactly what we entered in the body parameters. It echoes back everything we send. Next, let's create a variable in the environment variables section. We'll set it as age with an initial value of 18. You'll notice the value updates automatically once we make that change. Next, head back to the API parameters page and update the age parameter to the following format. My old keyboard is slowing me down, but I think it's still got some life in it. Let's see if it has some burst of energy left. It's still kicking just with its own quirky charm. Click Send. It didn't give us the result we expected. Let me take a closer look. Let's not blame my old keyboard this time, I'll own up to this mistake. I made a typo, but luckily EchoAPI's autocorrection has us covered. The incorrect code is highlighted differently, making it easy to spot. Let's fix it. Now, you see the response still shows the age as 18, reflecting the environment variable we set earlier. You can also set variables, like age, in the header section as well. Once you've written it, hover your mouse over the variable, and it will display the detailed value. Hit send. Let's check out the response section. Looks great. Now, onto the header section, also looking good. Finally, the age in the actual request is still 18, just like before. And nope, I definitely didn't forget where to find it and click on the wrong thing earlier. Hover your mouse over the variable, and it will again display the detailed value.